everybody, it's Layle with Layle by Mail. Excuse my voice, I'm just getting over that nasty flu cold bug that is going around. It hit our house pretty hard. But I wanted to share with you the brand new Layle by Mail Best of Say Cheese Disney Project Kit. And with this, I have blended all 4 of the Simple Stories Say Cheese collections in this wonderful, cheery, best place on earth, happiest place on earth album. So we'll take a look at the completed project, and then we'll take a look at the kit, everything that I used to build the project. As usual, the Layle by Mail project kits always include all the product that you need to put the kit together, along with the color step-by-step instructions. So let's dig in. I am using this beautiful 6x8 faux leather album from Simple Stories. It has the beautiful contrasting white stitching and the metal corners, also the metal book plate. So very nice, high quality album to store all of your lovely Disney memories. On the front, we're doing some different stickers, a punched gold glitter Mickey head, some ribbon, and so forth. As we get going, you guys, the 4 Say Cheese collections were designed to blend beautifully together, and they really do. And because Simple Stories didn't come out with a new Say Cheese collection this year, I thought it would be really fun to blend the 4 that they have come out with together. I'm adding a 2x2 pocket page to the kit. The album includes 10 pocket pages, to each of 5 different configurations, but this one is not included. This one I added to the kit though, because I love this configuration. So we're just having fun adding different cards and things to the pockets. This one has tons and tons of interactive elements, you guys, lots of folds and flip outs. Anywhere that you're seeing white basically is where I've left room for photos. So this one holds tons and tons of photos. Another flip out here, a little folding little thingy there. Room for journaling here, or an additional photo. I've brought in some thickers from American Crafts in this particular kit, and they go so well with the kit. Just really gives you some great titles and things. Another interactive element there. Lots of photos. In the instructions, I also talk about how to print smaller photos, like 2x2 and 3x4 photos. That's one of the biggest questions that I get asked when I do a project like this. So I have a video on my YouTube channel. I will also link that in the description for the video, so you know how to print those little 3x4s and 2x2s. Some of the die cuts, the snap cuts, those are really fun because they fit in the pockets, but you get that really neat kind of see-through peekaboo effect. We'll do a little bit of cutting our pocket pages so we can experiment with how to make pocket pages smaller, perhaps, than we want them to be, or smaller than they come. We want them to be smaller than they come. So we're going to do a little bit with that. Another interactive element right there, working with the pockets and the interactive elements. Like I said, there's tons of interactive elements. So there's another little one. Everywhere again that you see photos, or goodness, it's the cold medicine kicking in. Everywhere that you see the white spots, those are the spaces for the photos. Here's another really fun interactive one, kind of a little waterfall effect with 4x6 cards. I have incorporated some of the papers in the kit have the gold foil accents, and those are so fun to just kind of really add that magic to recording your trip and your memories. This one is a pretty big fold out using an 8x12 piece of paper. We cut it down to 8x12 and that really fun gold foil half Mickey ear, another one of the die cuts. So lots of room for all of your memories. A pocket here. So this pocket we're making, and it's open, so you can add tons of your memorabilia, tickets, additional photos, different things that you'd like to do that in that pocket. So brochures, a lot of times I will keep the different brochures from the parks, and it's just kind of fun to have all of that as memorabilia to reflect back upon. Room for some journaling here, more gold foil, a little interactive element using one of the die cuts. There are a number of punched Mickey heads also included in the kit that really kind of bring in that Disney feel. So as you can see, room for tons of photos, lots of great interactive elements. This kit is currently shipping now. I will include the information for the link to order in the description of the video. All right, so that is the finished project. Now let's take a look at what comes in the kit. So as always, you have, whoopsie, not that, those are my invoices. As always, you have the color step-by-step instructions. So those are going to tell you everything that you need to complete the project. The 6x8 faux leather album from Simple Stories that I mentioned, along with the 10 pocket pages. So you have 2 each of 5 different configurations. So the 4x4 2x8, the 3x4 4x6, the 3x4 3x4s, the 4x6 4x6, and then the 6x8s. So 10 pocket pages in there. Then we move into the snap die cuts. So there are 8. You have pre-die cut for you for 3x4s and for 4x6s. So those are really fun, especially when you're working with the pocket pages. 1 yard of that wired sheer polka dot ribbon that just screams kind of Disneyland, doesn't it? 8 4x6 stickers. So these are coming from the Say Cheese 4 collection. You have 201 stickers in here. You guys, I love using these little stickers when it comes to pocket pages because they're just a nice small size. Since you're working with a smaller surface area in the pocket pages, these are great to work with, and we use tons of those. Then we have the Wildflower and Honey. These are thickers from my good friend Vicki Booten. These are American craft thickers from one of her collections, gold and black, and these we use almost every single one in throughout the project. Then we have, let's see, this little baggie has some gold twine, 2 large punched Mickey heads and 5 small black punched Mickey heads. You have 19 chipboard stickers. This comes from the Say Cheese 3 collection. You have that extra 2x2 pocket page that I mentioned. And then we have, I think 11, we'll count, 11 12x12 papers. The first 3 are coming from the Say Cheese 2 collection. And these all are going to have that gold foil accent, which just makes it so fun. Those are a mixture of 3x4 and 4x6s with the gold foils. And then this one, I love this one with the 4x4s and all the little 2x2s. Those little 2x2s are really fun to play with. Then we move into the regular papers. These next few are also from the Say Cheese 2 collection. Of course, everything double-sided. This little guy is Say Cheese 3. I love that large kind of little bit different polka dot. And then the smaller black and white polka dot on the back side. These next 2 papers are from the original Say Cheese collection. And you guys, as you're starting to look through all the products, you'll notice there is a lot of consistency, and that was by design so that you would be able to, over time, mix and match all of your Say Cheese collections together. And I just love that. All right, this one has your 6x8s and your 4x4s, your vertical 4x6s. We use a couple of those to do some interactive elements. And then wrapping up the 2 12x12 white grid kind of wood pattern. All right, so there you have it. That is the Layle by Mail Best of Say Cheese Disney Project Kit, and that is currently shipping now. You'll see all the information you need on ordering that kit in the description of the video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.